Hi participants, welcome to this training program which is conducted by Toshniwal Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sengaon. Myself, Dr. Bhavan Mute, working as an assistant professor. So today we are going to discuss the remaining part which is from module 1. In earlier two videos, we have discussed what are the hard tools which are required for the shoot your videos, basic hardwares, already told by Dr. D.G. Sawant sir. Then in second video, we have discussed what are the tools which are required for the upgradation, enhance the more quality of your video. And third aspect I am going to discuss in this video, that is how to use different softwares for your editing. So nowadays there are different types of softwares which are available in the market, but for making educational creative video, you should have some basic knowledge regarding the softwares. So basically these softwares are used for the making video, that is the one aspect, but remaining aspect, that is the mostly these softwares are used for the post production of your video by designing your raw footage file. These raw videos you can edit on your mobile as well as your laptop as well as your personal computers also. Particularly in this video we are going to discuss what are the different softwares which are essential for editing your videos. So there are two types of softwares. One is the mobile compatible and other one is your laptop compatible, or it is also called as PC compatible. Most of the faculty have their own mobiles, or most of the faculty they have their own laptop, or in their department they have their computers. So by using this we can make creative educational video. So basically in this lesson we are going to discuss the outline of this video. It shows three aspects. One is the softwares which are required for the mobile. The second aspect, that is those softwares which are compatible for your laptops. And third aspect, whenever you are creating your video or editing your video, you should have good quality of voice or sound. So for that we have different types of softwares. So first we will see what are the softwares which are useful for the your mobile purpose. So there are two types of software basically. One is the free softwares, and second aspect, the paid softwares. You have to pay some money for purchase those softwares. So in this video we are going to discuss what are the free softwares and what are the paid softwares, and some details of these softwares, how to use and how we can use these softwares in your laptop or your. So first we will discuss what are the softwares which are essential to edit your video in your mobiles. First one. So for this there are different types of softwares. Every faculty have their own mobile, and in that mobile there are two types of operating system. One is the iOS and second is the Android system. So first, that is the Magisto. It is one of the software you can download freely. It is compatible those mobiles having iOS operating system, and second one is it is also compatible for those mobiles have Android supported system, and this is free softwares. Then second software, that is the Hyperlapse. This is one of the mobile compatible softwares, and it is free software, but this software supports only iOS operating system only. So these softwares cannot support to the Android mobile phone. Then third software, there are a lot of softwares, but we will discuss some softwares which are essential free for your mobile editing. Then third one is the Wondershare Filmora Go. This is one software. Formerly it is also called as Wondershare Video Editor. So this is free, and this software it is iOS and Android supported. Then fourth one, that is InShot. This is again one more software to edit your videos. So this software again it is free softwares, and it is again supported to the iOS and Android operating system. Then next software there are Video. This is again one of the software which is free, exclusively free, this software, and this is Android compatible software. By downloading in your mobile, whatever you have shooted your video, you can edit your video by doing this one. Then one of the everyone or majority of the people in our teaching profession, they are familiar with KineMaster, and this KineMaster is very compatible, and it is Android supported, and it is also iOS operating system supported software. But using these softwares, you can edit, you can design your video as you want by giving different effects to your videos. In the second module or in the second session, we are going to discuss one video, how to edit your video by using this KineMaster. So that aspect we are going to discuss in more detail in the next module of this training program. So next software, that is the Fiverr Video. This is free software and it is supported to all mobile devices. This is again one of the most important softwares. There are a lot of softwares. You can take any softwares and the process of each and every software is same. There is a audio track, there is a video track, and there are some different buttons. So by doing this, you can edit your videos. But mobile has its own limitations compared to the laptops or your PCs. Because the screen of your mobile, it is very small one, and the screen of your laptop, it is very big one. That is the main difference. Then second difference, there are different buttons which are on your screen, but one time you can't see all the buttons in your mobile, but in laptops you can see all the buttons and you can control clearly, and you won't go for blind editing in laptops, whereas sometimes in mobile you have to go some blind editing. So that is the main difference in between video editing in mobiles and video editing in laptops. So friends, one more advantage of laptop has extra RAM and extra memory. So that is again one of the most important feature laptop. So it means that you can shoot your video, edit your video in mobile also, but it has some limitations. So therefore it is more better to edit your video in laptops. You also edit your video in mobiles, but it has its own limitation, I have already told. Now we are going to discuss various softwares which are used for editing your videos in your laptops. Whenever you are editing the videos in your laptop, here I will tell you there are two types of softwares. One is the free softwares and second is the paid softwares. Now we are going to discuss what are the free softwares and how you can download and how you can install. So first thing, so we will discuss that is the free softwares which are available in market online. So first one, that is the OpenShot. So these softwares, it is compatible for your laptop, and those laptops having Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. You can download this OpenShot and you can edit your video as you want by giving different effects. Second thing is that this is also compatible for Linux and Macs platform also. Then second software, that is the shortcut. You can download this particular software, type in Google shortcut, so you will get the links of that particular file and you can download and just install it. It is very simple, and this software, it is very useful for edit your 4K videos also. So these are exclusively free softwares. Then Lightworks, this is third software. In this software also you can do your editing. These are the free softwares. Then fourth one, that is the Windows Movie Maker. This is again one of the free softwares, but this software is only compatible to Windows 7 and 8 only. It can't support to Windows 10. So therefore you can download these softwares, those having operating system or Windows 7 and 8. Then next software, that is the free software, that is called as VSDC Video Editor. This is again one of the best software. This is free softwares. If you want pro version of this software, you have to give some money for purchase this software. Then this is regarding the free softwares. Now we are going to discuss what are the paid softwares. So there are different paid softwares also. So first one, that is the Adobe Premiere Pro. This is one of the most advanced softwares, and this software has excellent automatic function. The free trial available on internet, just you search, you will get free trial version, and you make 1 or 2 videos by using this free trial also. So this software has industry standard video editing. So these are the advantages of these softwares. Then second one, so most of the educators using second software, that is the Camtasia. Camtasia is paid software, but majority of the educators, most of the educators, they create their videos by using this Camtasia. So Camtasia, one of the excellent software, it is used for the advanced editing. So then third software, Adobe Premiere Elements. This again one of the paid software. You have to pay some money for purchase this one. So you just search on internet, you will get all the information regarding the price, but it has its trial version. Then next, that is the Filmora. This is again one of the paid software, but trial version is available. You can edit your video in this trial version also. Then next software, that is we are most familiar with this one. Whatever we are making videos by using this software, that is the Movavi. Movavi, it is very simple softwares, and you can make simple videos. Whatever video I have made by using this software. Patil sir also videos are making by using particularly this Movavi softwares. Datta sir, they are making different videos by using this Movavi softwares. So we are taking 1 or more videos how to edit videos in particularly Movavi. But in just introduction, why we are using this Movavi? Those persons or those peoples, most of the peoples or most of the faculties or most of the participants, they are unfamiliar with editing. Those who are new in video editing, they can edit their videos. Having some little bit knowledge, they can edit their videos. So this software has very easy interface. So there are again different interfaces there, different layer is there, audio layer is there, video is layer is there. You can import your whatever the video you have shooted. So by doing this one, you can edit your videos by this particularly Movavi. Most of the people, they ask question, is Movavi free and safe? The question which is raised by you, the answer of this question is yes, Movavi software is very easy and very safe. Second thing, you can purchase this software near about 2000 Indian rupees. This software has fairly reasonable price. So by using these softwares, you can make your videos. Next, third aspect, that is related to the audio editing. So audio editing, one of the main component of your video. While you are shooting your video, so there are two methods already told by Datta sir. So there are two types of video shooting methods. One is at natural light or natural climate, and other one at your home. While you are shooting your videos, first you should select your place. It should be noise free. But most of the time, such condition is not favorable to you while you are going to shooting your video. So for this, there are different types of softwares. Sometimes what happens, in your video, there are some noises there. Your voice may be sometimes reduced. By using different softwares, you can enhance your voice of your video. So in this lesson, the sound recording is very important one, because nowadays there are so many peoples, they are shooting their video very clearly, but sometimes the sound of those videos are not clear. But by using these softwares, you can clear voice of your video, and you can also enhance your audio also. Second thing is that sometimes what happens, you shooted your video in another device and you have shooted your voice in another device. By using these softwares, you can overlap with video file and audio file in one video. So for this you have to require some softwares. So basically, so there are different types of softwares. Just you search in internet, you will get lot of information. So we will discuss 2-3 softwares which are exclusively free. So first one is the Audacity. Audacity, this is one of the free softwares for clear your voice. For noise reduction, this software is very suitable, and it has multi-track audio editor. The second benefit of this software, so this software is free, open source. You can download, you can install, and you can edit your video. Then second software, the mostly I use this software, that is the Ocen audio. By using this Ocen audio, you can enhance sound of your video. You can enhance the quality, or you can reduce noise of your video from whatever you have shooted. This software has great filter selection. It has clean and simple interface. Just you practice within 10 to 20 minutes, you can familiar with this software. So this is the most familiar software to everyone, and you can make your voice clear by using this software. It has highly precise selection tool. By using these features, these are the key factors of this particular softwares. Beside this free audio editor, this is again one of the softwares. By using these softwares, you can edit your voice, you can enhance your voice. Then fourth software, that is the audio cutter. In this software, you can extract your voice of your video, and you can give other voice to your video. So by using this software, you can enhance voice of your video. You can make great content by using these softwares. So in this lesson, we have discussed what are the softwares which are essential for the mobile, what are the free softwares which are essential for your laptop, what are the paid softwares which are essential for editing your video. In second aspect, we have discussed what are the audio softwares. In audio softwares, we have discussed a lot of softwares. By using these softwares, you can edit, you can enhance any video which you have shooted in your daily routine, in your classroom, in your home, or in outside of your home. So I hope this lesson is just introductory for you. The remaining part, how you have to edit your actual videos in practical, that we will discuss in next lesson or next module. So stay tuned. So thank you once again for this first day module of your training program. Thank you.